Hi friends, welcome. Thank you for stopping in. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Happy Monday. I hope that everyone had an amazing weekend. I hope that you are all doing great. And I hope that you have a fantastic week. So this morning before I head out to work, I just want to share with you this project. And I also want to apologize. I've not been very good on keeping up with comments lately, and I'm so sorry. I've been so overwhelmed with work. I have been working every single day, and I haven't had a day off since Christmas. So I've been, working on the weekends because, everyone is in need of nurses right now. So I'm doing everything that I can to help. And I've been doing my projects before and after work. So please forgive me. I'm going to take this weekend off and I'm going to try to catch up on some of that stuff. So again, I am so sorry for that. So this morning though, I want to share with you these super cute earrings. So these are really, really fun. Now this mold, I bought it quite some time ago and I apologize. I can't remember if I got it on AliExpress or Amazon, and I haven't had a chance to go through and, dig through look for it. But this is really cute, and I think that you could probably easily find it, but also it's just, the idea of doing earrings and different things that you can do with epoxy. And these turned out really, really pretty. So this particular glitter that I showed you from Glitter Chimp, so I don't know if you can see how it's got that little bit of a green sort of tint to it. But it does, and it's really, really pretty. And these turned out so cute. So with these, I did one color and I let that sit for just like an hour, and then I added the next so that it would blend in together, but you would still have like that separate color look. And these really did turn out super, super cute. So if you'd like to see me put them together, just stay tuned and we'll be making them. And I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And I'll see you later. Bye. All right, so I have this mold, and it is earrings, and it is Disney. And I believe, I'm not sure, honestly, if I got this from AliExpress or Amazon, to be perfectly honest with you. I've had it for quite a while and haven't used it. But it's going to be one or the other. And generally, they're interchangeable. What you can find on Amazon, you can usually find on AliExpress and vice versa. So I know that some of my epoxy is going to sort of spread down through, and I'm okay with that. So what I'm going to do is kind of fill up my Mickey here as much as possible. And whatever, goes down, that's fine, because then I'm going to go over top of everything with red. So I'm going to start with the black. And I'm using this Texas oil. It's black, but it's got this like green sort of tinge to it. And I don't know, I just really like it. It's one of my favorites. So I'm not going to put too much. So this is only about 3 cc's of epoxy, which will probably even still be more than what I need. So there's that. And you know, if anything like seeps down, it'll give a little blend and it'll be fine. And I did let my epoxy sit for a little bit before putting it in, like 10 minutes, just so that it would be a little bit thicker, and that way hopefully not run quite as much. All right, so as you can see, I'm starting to get a little drizzle in there, which is fine, because it'll just allow the red to blend in with it. Now, because I want it to blend, I'm only going to let this sit for maybe an hour, and then I'm going to turn around and put the red in it. All right, so we've got some epoxy mixed up, and this is only 4 cc's is all I've mixed here. I think it's plenty. And this is Little Red Corvette. You know what? I'm not going to use it. I think that's too chunky because of how thin that is. I'm going to go to Dorothy instead. You know what I mean? Since it's not like a super wide piece, I'm afraid that the chunky, like the pieces might be too much. It might cause it to get like little holes in it. All right, so we'll let these dry and see how they turn out. All right, so here are my earrings. Oh, those look good. Those look so good. So do you see that color where I told you it's got the black has a little bit of green in it? Like, look how pretty that is. And you can, of course, do these, you know, do any kind of earrings. These are the ones that I have. But look how beautiful that looks. Oh, yeah, this one looks good also. These are perfect. And then I've got this package of like jewelry stuff here. And I can do like whatever I want. Silver, gold. I think I'm going to do silver. And these jewelry packages, you can get these like, so this is from Amazon, but you can get them Amazon, you can get them on AliExpress, you can get them at Michael's, you can get them at Walmart. And what I like to do, so I'll leave these sitting here just so that I remember. And the next time I do epoxy, I will take a toothpick and just put a little dab of epoxy on there, and it will keep this from ever coming open. And when I put the epoxy on there, it allows me to be able to just, put the clips to each other instead of feeling like I need to double them over and make them look weird, because I won't have to worry about, my earring piece coming up and through and it falling off. And here are my earrings. Easy peasy, but look how beautiful they are. They really turned out nice.